So you guys saw me walking up and down here. So basically I was installing this. I'll make it sound like an install, but it's more like a kind of a school project, just using some double-sided tape and some glue. Hold up. Sorry, the little one was showing me his cards. These cards are actually cool. You put it in a device and it makes sounds, and it says tiger roar. Okay, anyway, so here we are. So I kind of did like here comes a car chasing past, as always. So what I did was I kind of like did the measurements on where I should put them to fit in properly. So I was like, I don't want it to be off-centered and that. So I knew that the screws was originally in the center ones. Hello, it's me. So you're in the center ones, right? So that center one and that center one, because you can see of the little bit of rust of the screw. So anyway, we're just going to use double-sided tape here again. So then what I did was I had to look where I was going to put it. So I got to turn it like this. So if you do not put it properly, it's going to be off-centered here, then it won't be able to go in. And then also you can have it where it's a bit too far to the right or a bit too far to the left. The little one's back. Hold up. Ooh, gorilla. Rah. Okay, that's got to go there. Huh. Oh, I thought it got the double-sided tape area. It came off. So anyway, I had to like kind of just play around to get it right in, so it should have dried up properly. So what I did was I kind of moved it so it's the one above it, and then over here, where's that one? This one over here. So the cool thing about this is it makes it easy to pull. There we go. I just pushed it in there. Let's just push it in here as well. There we go. Okay, sweet, bro. So this makes it so much easier if I go to the racing just to take it off, because it used to be, like I said to you guys, it used to be screwed in. You got to pull the number plate off. My poor number plate is so bent already, and then you got to loosen the screws, take the thing off, and then put it back on and just double-side tape it back on and all that kind of stuff. Now it's just so much easier. I can literally just pull this whole thing off. So okay, let's pull that off here. And it pull off there. Kind of a pretty strong, good fit, I must say. Very happy with it. And just because of my OCD, I just kind of like added some extra some super glue just to make sure it's not going to fall off. I don't want to lose this baby. So yeah, and then one day what I want to do is the crash bar here behind. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm like completely blind because of the sun. I want to see if I can like cut it off or something of the sort, and just have more surface area for the intercooler to be cooled. Then I can always just take this off. So this was one of my temporarily ideas if I do ever go and work on the crash bar, because it is blocking like 30% of the intercooler. What I want to do is you actually get these side mounted, what do you call it? It's like, yeah, side mounted number plates, the square one. So you take this cap out, you put your, then it comes with like a metal screw you put in, and then you tighten it into this part over here. So no need to drill into your bumper or cut it or nothing of that sort. Okay, so yeah, pretty cool, quick install, I must say. I'll give some feedback over time about it, if it was cool or not.